Have you ever been to a casino in Las Vegas and just stood there in awe of the grandness? The lavish rooms, the amazing lobbies, the luxurious restaurants. Oh my. Well, how do you think they make all that money? Do you think that they make oodles and oodles of money because they're paying out jackpots all the time? Absolutely not. In fact, they make all their money because countless people flock to the strip each and every single day. They put their hard-earned money in these slot machines and pull the handle, and they're hoping and praying for that next big score. But guess what? Most of the time, it never comes. Option buyers are the same. They're gamblers. They're hoping and praying that their stock goes up to the moon or down to the floor super quick so they can make that next big score. But the fact is, most of them lose all their money, just like the people at the slot machines. What if I could show you how you can literally act like the casino? You can literally take the money from all these option buyers all the time and basically become like the casino. Create yourself weekly income. It's not that hard, guys. Just like the casino uses certain things in place, like table limits and things like that, to make sure that they don't go bust, you can do the same thing as an option seller. There are literally only two strategies that you need to know, and they're super easy to understand and learn. Selling a put, selling a covered call. That's it. You don't have to be a math genius or have a PhD in physics or anything like that. You can learn. In fact, I just wrapped up a weekly live session today, and I'm planning the next one now. If you want to be a part of that and learn how to create yourself income on a weekly basis, just like the casinos do, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel for oodles and oodles of free content, and be sure to join my inner circle. It's totally free, and that way I can let you know when the new event will happen, and I'll even give you a discount code. So stop being the gambler. Stop hoping and praying that your stocks go up to the moon. It never happens. And also, if you sell stock, if you buy stock and you just wait for it to go up, you can't even spend any of that money until you sell your stock. That's a broken system. Option selling is way better, and I can show you step by step. Now, Steve Wynn literally makes $2 billion a year at his casino. Maybe you might not be like Steve Wynn and make $2 billion a year, but what if you can just make a small fraction of that? How could that change your life, your lifestyle? It can be amazing. Be sure to join my inner circle. The link's in the description below, and I will let you know once the next event is published and send you a coupon code. Cheers for now.